day was silent, surely it was true. Since when has impossible ever stopped you? Friday disappointment, Sunday's empty too. But since when has impossible ever stopped you? This is the sound of a dry bones rattling. This is the praise make a dead man walk again. Hope in the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of a dry bones rattling. The rattling. Pentecostal fire, stirring something new. You're not gonna run off miracles anytime soon. Resurrection powers runs in my veins too. I believe there's another miracle here in this room. This is the sound of the dry bones rattling. This is the praise make a dead man walk again. Hope in the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of a dry bones rattling. Oh, the rattling, the rattling. Oh, the rattling. My God is able to save and deliver and heal and restore anything that He wants to. Just and that was laid on the bones of Elisha. If there's anything that He can do, just as the stone that was rolled, let that tomb in the garden. What happens when God says to move? I feel Him moving it now. I feel Him doing it now. I feel Him moving it now. Move it now, move it now. This is the sound of a dry bones rattling. This is the praise make a dead man walk again. Hope in the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of a dry bones rattling. Oh, the rattling, the rattling. Oh, the rattling. Oh, the rattling. Oh, I can hear the sound. Oh, I can hear the sound of an army rising up. Ooh. Dry bones hear the call. Dry bones hear the call. Hear the word of the Lord. Live, live, live in the word of the Lord. Live. Fakhla Patani Mansora say.